How to delete Instagram account from account list. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on three lines at the top right. Then scroll down at the bottom and click on Log Out. After you click on Log Out, press on Log Out again. Then you will find this kind of screen. Here, simply click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now, at the bottom, click on Remove Profiles from this device. Then, you'll find all the profiles list. Simply click on Remove on the right side of the account you want to remove from account list and press on Remove again. After that, it will be removed from your account list. This is how to delete Instagram account from account list. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.